If you're only using Claude to ask questions, you're leaving about 85% of what it can actually do completely on the table. There are 5 things you need to know about Claude. And I'd bet that most people watching this right now have never heard of at least 3 of them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you should be using right now and why. Let's get into it. Number 1, Claude Chat. This is the one you probably know. You go to Claude AI, you type, you get an answer, works in your browser, your phone, your desktop, everything's synced. Now, Claude Chat is great, it's the foundation, but it's the starting point, not the whole picture. Think of it as the front door. The real stuff is inside. Number 2, Claude Co-Work. This one has genuinely changed how I work, and most people have no idea it exists. Co-Work is a desktop app that can see your files, open them, edit them, and save new ones. You're not chatting anymore. Claude is actually working on your computer. Give it a task, like read my emails, summarize the important ones, draft replies, and delete the junk, and it just does it. No code, no setup. Anyone can use this. Co-Work is best for anything that involves real files, real tasks, or real automations on your computer. This is the I wish AI could just do that for me tool. Number 3, Claude Code. Now we're building. This one is for creating real software, and before you say, I'm not a developer, hear me out. Claude Code writes the code, tests it, finds the bugs, and delivers a working application. You just tell it what you want. I've used it to build over 150 AI tools just by describing what I wanted. No prior coding experience. If you can think it, Claude Code can build it. Number 4, plugins. Think of these like apps in an app store, except the app store is Claude. A plugin is a pre-built bundle of tools you install into Claude to give it a new ability. Install a Slack plugin, Claude can talk to Slack. Install a design plugin, Claude can now design. Plugins work inside Co-Work and Claude Code. They're best when you want to extend what Claude can do without building anything yourself. It's all there, you just pick and install. And number 5, skills. This is the most underrated one. Most people aren't using it and they're missing out. A skill is just a folder with instructions in it. That's it. You write step-by-step directions that teach Claude exactly how to do one specific job your way. Claude reads those instructions every time that task comes up. Once set up, it works across chat, co-work, and code everywhere Claude lives. You can build your own skills or grab ones other people already made. Skills are best for anything you ask Claude to do more than once. Set it once. Never explain it again. So here's the quick summary. Claude Chat is for thinking and research. Co-Work is for getting real tasks done on your computer. Claude Code is for building actual software. Plugins extend what Claude can do. And skills teach it how you want things done permanently. You don't need to master all 5 today, but now you know they exist. And that already puts you ahead of 99% of people using AI. Pick the one that matches what you're trying to do right now and start there. That's all it takes. If this helped, subscribe and let me know which one you will start with in the comment section. See you in the next one.